Alrighty, here we go. We have a hot heap. It's got a broken wheel. Get some light on that. Broken wheel right here. So first we're going to replicate these rivets. So this requires a rivet, 1/64th rivet. We will put it into here. Alright, now we need a knife and safety glasses. Oh, good. Alright, so turn on drill to 1. Oh, plug it in. Looks plugged in. There it goes. Now, this has, here, turn that off. Examining this, there's a hole in the middle and a really flat part and a little bit of turning on the edges. So we're going to reproduce that. First we'll put the hole in it. Reproduce the edges. So now, I hope you can see that. There's a flat spot there, a little bit of a ridge, and a bunch of round lines that I did. So that's one done. Both rivets are identical, or really close anyway. So we'll just reproduce that here again. So in the middle, and then run down the side. And that's about it. So now what we do, go remote, take one at a time. What we do, oh, we have to need our tool. And our tool is this, with a hole in it. Get some more light on that tool. Can't see without my glasses. So we got a big hole, and we got, on the floor, we got a 1/64th inch hole there, and this one here is, oh, this is 1/16, and this is bigger than 1/64. Anyway, we need this hole about the width of the rivet itself. So what we do, get the light over here, my messy floor, put the rivet in here. Oh dear, try to put the rivet in there. Alright, and then we get it stuck up in the vice grips, really tight up in there. Put this piece of aluminum over that, and we center it and bang it, bang it, bang it, bang it. So now we got a flat one. It might have been overdone a bit, with the edges on it. Might want to spin that again. Oh, this time we won't bang it so hard. A little excited there. That's better. Yeah, it looks good, but it doesn't have the little hole in it anymore, so we'll just drill that in. So this one here, it's not really straight. Let's put a couple spins on that. Straighten it out a bit. spin right there. Not very obvious. Get an edge on it here. It's mangled. This is a skill on itself, for Christ's sakes. Anyway, so there's a rivet. There's a rivet. Now, we're going to drill out these, so whoops, with 1/16 bit drill bit. Turn it on, make sure that bit is not crooked. It looks pretty good. So yeah, let's drill. So lowest setting. Find the middle of the rivet. Find the middle of the rivet. Crank it up all the way. Don't go all the way down, just a bit. It's hot. About halfway through. That's it. So that'll give us the reference to drill into, and also gives us exact center. Everything should go good. Now this is a 1/64th bit drill bit here. This is a really hot engine, by the way. Whew. Okay, so right down the middle, on lowest setting on here, a couple of drill like this. Hope you can see that. Ow. Anyway, that's out. Oh. And get rid of that. Should come apart. And there it is. Alright. So yeah, for some reason I should have realized that the engine is going to come out as one unit, so it's going to be a little hard to drill without killing myself. And that went pretty good, actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill out this one so we can get a rivet in there later. Here, let's take this off. I need this here. Clip that off. Alright, that was a bit of the casting on the outside of it. I didn't actually go into the pillar. Whatever. Okay, here it goes. Oh, up higher. Oh gosh, well that's not good. That'll work still. Alright, I need a way to drill this, so I guess I get it's anchored in here without killing or without making any marks, that is. And the drill bit. Anyway, this is going well. Ugh. Is it hot? Yes, it's hot. Okay, so now I need beer. I'm out of beer. Okay, so yeah, let's make sure everything fits together. So yeah, I got a good hole here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a good hole down in there with the rivet. That one's fucked, or language is very destroyed in its pillar, and I didn't do a very good job. But there is enough guts in there. I don't know if you can see that either. There's enough guts in there that I can actually get a rivet to stick to that. So what we're going to do now, figure out why this wheel is broken. Well, that's not good. This is US. What is this? It is US. Okay. She doesn't want to go, Captain. She doesn't want to go in there, Captain. What do we do? It really does not want to go in there. Alright, everybody relax. Stay in control. There we go. Well, sucker likes to bend, doesn't it? I think I got it, Captain. I think it's there. Right. Okay, so that's fixed, but it's going to be a problem in the future probably again. So we do the magic crazy glue. If I can get the top off. I don't normally put it on far. Ugh, that's crazy. You had a wrench around. Oh, I give up. You're one of those days where just fuck it all. Language again. I'm tired today. Okay, so maybe we'll get some crazy glue out of it now. Okay, good. So what we're gonna do is just glue that little part there. Let it run down. So that won't be a problem anymore. So now we put it all back together. I really don't like this one rivet though. That one's good. That one's... ugh. Yeah, it's good. Alright. Make sure everything fits. we're good. Put some glue down in here. Now these are going to have to be trimmed. Oh, where's my pliers? Anyway, we'll get them in there. Get a little puppy in there. I think we're good there. So this one's different. Trim this first. Looks good. Drop of glue. And this one goes in there. I got glue on my fingers. And it's there. So now we'll just leave that. Oh, shoot. That's not good. This has to be trimmed just a little bit more. Still have glue on my fingers. Even more glue now. A little bit more there. Puppy in there before everything dries up. Alright, and my fingers are sticking. So there we go.